I installed COPYPARTY, and now my computer started sending smoke signals. I don't know what is going on. Somebody please send some help. Maybe the police department. A couple weeks ago, I installed COPYPARTY after watching the amazing video by its creator. And it was funny. It had Eminem chucking Sammys at you. It had a hot dog pickle Sammy. At that point, I didn't really have any concept of what a file server really is for. I just knew I had a lot of files that needed moving from one hard drive to the other, and I knew rsync takes over 30 hours. The YouTube algorithm had my back that day, or so I thought. The software literally looks like somebody in the 90s made it in a cave with a bunch of scraps, but it worked. I'm just kidding. It didn't work. I downloaded and installed it on my server. I didn't even read the README. I was like, okay, this is just going to work on port 69. Go to it, open it, and nothing moves. I can't even see my files. Oh, never mind. This must be a problem with me. An hour later, I have access to my folders, and I start moving them around. Just kidding. I couldn't even move my bloody files around, okay? It was... This is when I started reading the README, because obviously, I repeat the advice I've given to every single project manager that has contacted me in my life. Go read the bloody documentation. Okay, fine. I go read the bloody documentation. The documentation's funny, okay? It's really funny. It's very entertaining. It was a good time. An hour later, README didn't help me at all. So I go and I go to Reddit. And I'm like, Reddit, you can help me with this. Literally, the only advice that people kind of agreed on is that COPYPARTY needs to index your system. Just give it a couple hours. If you have a lot of data, maybe 45 minutes. Okay, fine. So I let it run overnight. It literally sounds like the jet engine is spinning up in the background as I tried to sleep. It's like I was taking a nap at the airport during that. I'm like, oh, is my flight late? So the next day I wake up, I'm like, I'm very excited to start moving files around, okay? I have a lot of distros. Lo and behold, I start copying files around. Whenever I tried to make a big move, it wouldn't work. I don't know what to tell you. Probably it needs to index some more. Okay, so I let it be. And then I forget about it. I started doing Jellyfin and I installed a couple of other apps. All of them needed to index a lot of files, so I would just let them run overnight, right? That had an impact on Jellyfin streaming my legally acquired Linux distros. And I start maneuvering the little parts of the server, and I'm like, okay, this is surely going to work great. It's going to be incredible. Until I start turning off the different parts of different apps, and even then my performance started reducing. And I'm like, what is going on over here, man? And this continues for a couple of days, right? And at this point I've fully forgotten about COPYPARTY, thinking, okay, this is it. It's time to upgrade the system. I think I'm pushing it too much to its limits. I am falling behind on my donations to Mao. And then one day, I shut down all the apps. I just want to watch my show over lunch, okay? So I shut down literally everything, start streaming, and like nothing's working. I'm like, what is going on? So my warm lunch is next to me. I put it aside and I run top. And what do I see? 300% usage by Python. I'm like, what the hell? Python is popping off. The jet engines are about to fall off from the computer. It is next level. Then I go and I find what? COPYPARTY has been running for 300+% of my CPU. By the way, this is weeks after. I think what happened was because I was running it on the same drive as qBittorrent, as I was downloading new files, COPYPARTY would start indexing the partial files and it would just go off the rails. At least the smoke is cleared for now. Long story short, COPYPARTY is now banned from my HOMELAB like Chinese cars are banned in America. But I am on the lookout for other software, so if you have anything for me, please let me know. I am very excited to go and break this machine. I am falling behind on my donations to Mao.